Think I have an idea. Okay, let's get started. Oh, before I do, grab one fill pen and anything flat, check. Maybe what else am I missing? Aha. A toothpick of some sort. And a bowl. Now let me grab the bowl here. Let's get started. I just hope that the spring is not damaged. Let's see here. Okay. There we go. Now then, grab this, put this right there. This is what we need, and yep, that's in there. On the lose that piece. Now this is the piece that you want. And this piece too, you don't want to lose this either. Let's check out the spring. See the little peg that's holding the spring in place? Curious to see how damaged the spring is on this one. Oh my. I'll make a separate video for this one. Not ready yet. Actually, might as well, since for the yellows. Just want to be extra careful here. On second thought, this looks fine for now. I'll make a separate video for this one, because for the looks of the string, it looks okay. Because you see that groove right there, the little hook. As long as this hooks into place and winds up, it should be good. So now then, oh, there's that piece. Okay, as you guys can see, there's that little hook, that slab, that curved slab. You make sure you want this hilled spring on this peg, and this one sticking out next to this hole, which I'll show you what that's for. As you can see that little peg that's sticking out, and I need to clean this. There you go. As you guys can see, that little peg and the spring slots in together to hold the spring in place. You see here, yep, there you go. See, you guys can see it's lining up properly. And to double check if the spring is okay, actually no, yeah. To double check to see if the spring is still in good condition, you see this arrow right here that indicates which direction you should wind your spring. So it's telling me to wind it to the right. So let's just give it a couple turns. And let's see. You see? It retracted back to its original position. So now let's try one more time just to double check, but more. I'm gonna wind it a little bit more. Okay, now let's see. See right there? It's good. Okay. Now the annoying part. In case if anyone is in a situation where the string is broken, let me focus. So what you need to do is you have to straighten out the string first, and you could do it like any speed that you want to realign this string, but I recommend doing it slowly, just like how I'm doing. So let's see. Oh, if you're wondering why it sounds like this, I'm a bit tired and I'm a bit, just in the weather. So this is the piece that you definitely don't want to lose. So what you want to do is you want to fit this in. You see this giant the giant circle. Or the giant entryway. You want to put the string in that direction first, because that's where the string and the handle is gonna align. As you guys can see, the string launcher is gonna be in line like this. So you will definitely want to keep the outside circle outside and the inside circle on the inside. So that's one thing you have to notice. Another issue is excuse me. So another issue you want to handle is that once your string is broken, well, after you align it, you want to burn the tip so that it doesn't break apart. And I recommend having parent supervision or a professional supervision. And let's see here. So what you want to do is, this time you want the other way around. Like as you saw. Oh wait. The outside, you slide into the outside circle, but this time you want to slide inside of the circle. So what you want to do is you want to fit this in. So there's two ways you can fit this in. One is you could just twist it and it goes in. Another choice, which is more preferable, is you want to grab a toothpick light or a paper clip and you shove it in there. See? So now you want to keep it like this. Now next step, which is I think the one step everyone's looking forward to, is how to knot it. So how you knot it is you make a circle like this, something like a G shape. Like, let me demonstrate. See, you want a shape like this, something like this, like a G shape like this, and then put the one end and you close it off like this. Let me rewind. So like this, like this. Let me see here. Turn it down. Make sure the end is behind the string. And the end goes to the tunnel. So you can do it once, but originally how it came out in as new, it was double knot, which I'm gonna do. and you pull, you don't want the knot to be close to the tip, because that's gonna break out and it's gonna be hard to take the string apart, or the knot apart. So just do it midway. Not that far, not too close. This should be good. Now, the final part, which the rest should be easy. Now you just slot this back in. As you guys can see, the pathway goes right there. Next up, you see this long peg. You want to align it with where the string is intact. So pretty much it closes it in. Like so. See, it holds this, it keeps the string aligned so it doesn't tangle up with the gear. And now, use the small screws to screw the whole piece in. Let's see here. Okay, now that's settled. Now how you want to fix this is, you see this, you want how to rewind the string is, you see this arrow right here? Let me see if you can focus that. You see this, there will be an arrow right here, and that tells you the direction that you should wind your string. So this indicates right, so you wind your string to the right. There you go. And now, to put everything back, you see this metal piece? It goes right in here. And you see that metal bar? That bar keeps the string in place so that it doesn't, not only it doesn't untangle with the gears, it doesn't damage the gears. So here's where the important part is. You see that arrow that I mentioned that winds up the gear? You really want to rewind the gear to the direction that it turns, because that's how it retracts the string. So let's say, let's do this one the 4 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do one more. And now you push it in, because you see the reason why you don't want, let me see if I can do this. It's not gonna click. You see, if you have to keep it in this position where it's flat, because let me see here. As you guys see, there's that little square right there, and there's that little square on the other end. Those two align. And let me put this back in. Next step is to put the black piece back in. It aligns properly. And let's close this off. Just to be safe. Now, boom, ow. So yeah, let's close everything off. I was supposed to make this video long ago, but I just didn't have time. Ain't no I got time for that. Yeah, that's old. Cringeworthy. Cringe 2019. There we go. Boom, and there we go. A big string launcher. To test it out. might as well. Wyvern. That's gonna be so cringy. Actually, no. Yeah, it's just. There we go. Double check. There you go. A fixed string launcher. And also, just want to mention that all my string launchers, whenever I get my hands on string launcher, I remove the white peg because those pegs damages base, so I'm not gonna keep down my string launcher, so I remove them, which I have no idea where they are. So yeah, that's about it for my string launcher. Oh, want to add one more note. Once you repair a damaged string from a string launcher, the string is gonna be shorter compared to the other launchers. So I just want to keep that warning. So yeah, that's about it. For more videos like this video, actually, not sure if I could upload more videos, but I just made this video just, you know, to add some free time. So yeah, that's about it. So, yeah.